Hello, this is Cristi. Let me show you how you can connect DaVinci Resolve to YouTube so that next time you want to upload your video to YouTube straight from DaVinci, you do it in a couple of clicks. You have a way to upload directly from DaVinci, but you first need to connect your account. And when you're ready to export, for example, you go to the Deliver page, and you have across the top here, you have several options, including YouTube. So you can select which one you want, like the version or the resolution you want to export in, and you can give it a title here. So I'm going to type my title. This isn't your YouTube title, by the way, because if you go all the way down after you've checked all your settings, you can click Upload directly to YouTube, and this is where you specify your YouTube title. Now, before you are able to upload, you have to connect to YouTube, and that is done in the DaVinci Resolve menu. Go to the top and say Preferences. Then navigate to the Internet Accounts section, and there you have several accounts that you can connect to, including YouTube. Let's click here to sign in to YouTube. This is going to open a browser window, and here you have to select the Google account that channel is connected to or belongs to, the channel you're trying to upload to. Click on the account, and if you have more than one channel in your Google account, the next question is going to be which channel do you want to connect? You can only connect one channel to DaVinci Resolve, so best make that one the one you want to upload the most. So I'm going to select the account I want to upload to, and Google is going to ask you for permission. Do you want to allow DaVinci Resolve to manage your account? Yes. And then it's asking for permission to upload videos. Click Allow. And there you go, that's all you need. Connection is established. Now go back to DaVinci Resolve, and you should see the account connected in here. Click Save, and now you're done. So right now I'm going to select to export this video and upload it directly to YouTube. Let's give it a title here, and I recommend that you select private or unlisted for this upload. You don't want DaVinci to finish rendering and publish your video right away, because maybe you want to add a more detailed description and other things such as tags and other properties to your video before you go live, or you may want to schedule it. So don't publish it instantly, just make it private so you can go into YouTube Studio and continue the personalization of that video before you launch it. So I'm done here. I'm actually going to select just a range for this particular test. If you go down in the timeline, press I for the in, press O for the out. So I've just defined a range now to upload as a test. And when you're ready, just click Add to Render Queue right there. DaVinci is going to ask you for a location to store the video file before it uploads it. So I'm going to just choose a folder and give it a location. And now my render job is in the render queue. Let's see. If I click Render All, DaVinci starts rendering the video, and then if you look on the right-hand side up there, it says Uploading. And if I go to my studio, in my YouTube studio, look at that video. It's already coming in and uploading right now. And there you go, in DaVinci Resolve, it said that the upload was completed. That was a bit fast because it was just a test and it was a short range. So there it is, there's your video. Now YouTube is processing it, and you can go in there and add extra information, add your thumbnail, and finalize your video on YouTube. And the nice thing about this integration is that DaVinci remembers that account connected to it. So next time you want to upload to YouTube, you go to the Deliver page straight away, connect it to YouTube, and tell it to upload it directly, and it's going to just go like that, unlike other applications who don't remember this. So there you go. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this for more DaVinci Resolve videos. See you next time.